Hello friends, today I will show you how to block advertisement on YouTube while you are working. Google Chrome, watching a video, movies, advertisement disturb you. We are going to block these kind of stuff. Now we start. So here we go, right here on Google, add card Chrome. Okay, the first one we will open Chrome extension, add to Chrome, add extension. It will take little time to add in the Chrome extension. We will pin it and we will check. For testing purpose, we will go on YouTube. Here first we turn off the ad card and open any video. It will show here ad, you can see. Now I am going to turn on the ad blocker. Here it will show you the number of ads it's blocked. You can see total 4, ad blocking 4. Here you can easily block your ad that is disturbing you while you are watching the videos or some kind of movie. Okay, thanks for watching us. Support us, subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching the Sky Networks.